how to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Step 1. Multiply the whole number to the denominator of the fraction. Step 2. Add the numerator, which is 2, to the product of 3 and 5, which is 15. The result will be 17. 17 will become the numerator of your fraction. Step 3. Copy the denominator of your mixed fraction, so your improper fraction will now be 17 over 5. To change improper fraction to mixed fraction, divide the numerator by the denominator of the fraction. Our quotient is 3 with a remainder of 2. 3 will become your whole number. Our remainder, which is 2, will become our numerator of the fraction. Our divisor, which is 5, will become the denominator of the fraction. Our answer will now be 3 and 2/5.